Hello everyone, it's Peter here from Screen Protector and the Inte.Team. Welcome to the part 2. Okay, let's switch off the introduction. Let's go to the screenshot as a book repair line. As we see, that's the website I was talking about. Here we can learn more about it. We will be changing still text and so on. We are making sure now that these ones will start to work, yes, so that when you insert your email address it will be visible on our site. Free version, it's possible, yes, we're changing these ways. These will be changed, so there will be free version when you use our suppliers. Okay, there will be no free version as free version. There will be only forum which other repair shops can use and other people can use for the donation, whatever the donation will be. That will be a minimum of £1 per month. That's a minimum, but it's whatever someone wants, yes. So it will be, let's say, for £12 per year somebody can access only the forum, so that the cover for the server pretty much, yes, and nothing else. But apart from the forum, which I will try to even do if possible for free, but I do believe that it's it's really cheap, so it would give us a help to the right to repair project. Yes, that's why I do believe that there has to be either something for free or really cheap that people can afford it, but we can really deliver what we're aiming for at Inte.Team. And then full version, we want to keep it as cheap as possible, just to cover the basic expense of servers, support and employees, yes, at Inte.Team, because Inte.Team have created it and people have spent, myself, Thomas and Christoph, we've spent tons of time. Now other guys are helping us as well. We will be adding photos of ours soon, and this will making sure as well that it will work. So yeah, already you can see terms and conditions are pretty much straightforward. It's not a lot of to read. Yes, we're trying to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, let's go and see. You can choose brand, then that will give you the more options. Yes, here we will change into the required field, so you will see what are required, and then you can book it in. Inside as a repair shop, you see after logging in that on your dashboard how many bookings you had. I had registered 3 bookings in the November till now, and how many are paid are 1, yes, 2 are undergoing, so that's what it is. Then I can't show you these, yes, but it is there is something interesting which I will stop sharing for now, okay, and I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I'll pause it and I'll unpause it. Okay guys, because I can't share any personal data, yes, I wanted to show you how it's looking. It's, as you see, this small blue here, that means it's a table. If I will click none, it will disappear, no data available in the table. Now all will select all. And if I will take all and during repair, okay, and I will click filter, you see nothing is filtered because I don't have any undergoing. I'm only waiting for some parts. Filter, so it is working. Or on the customer, yes, so filter again, and I've got several, 5 I see. So that's what it is. Filters are working. You can book in, then you see new booking. You can move new booking to the undergoing by start the work, or received, clicking the received. Then from undergoing you can book to the completed section as well by describing what have been done. And in the future we will have, by serial number and the brand, we will be able to look for the devices and the faults. So if somebody is not working with this repair shop but want to check if that device was fixed by one of our repair shops, partner repair shops, they can see the history by providing brand model and the serial number, and that's it. And then we will see whole history if that was done by our company or one of the partner shops. Okay, because I've got 4:47, let's make it 1 minute longer. I can tell you, because there is much more. Okay, so the rest I can tell you in the next part. We've got a global inventory, and shop view here. Okay, so I'll tell you, oh sorry, not the window, this. So we can see here that this is a shop view. That means I can see my products, okay, and data table view. Then I can check my inventory, and then if it's marked as a global, other repair shops can find it as well, and we can share with each other our inventory. Yes, so in that case we can swap with items without paying PayPal and eBay fees. Yes, so that's a good idea, I would say, to share this. And now we're building stuff. I will tell you exactly what we're building, and I will be able to show you payments because they are completed. They are not live here properly yet, but they are done. So that's what we will see in the last episode, part 3. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye.